So I'm Isa, this is Pete, and we're on a bike ride today to see the Bluebells. It's Easter Sunday, and we have decided to take our bikes and ride all the way to Ashridge, which is a little bit farther from our home to go walking. It's okay for a whole day walk, but we are not supposed to be that long out.
No, that's taking the biscuit a bit.
So we decided to ride our bikes instead, and then get to see these beautiful flowers. You can see them in the background.
Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something.
This is called Ashridge Halt. Wow, it's quite amazing. I don't know what it is, but it's...
Some sort of academy or university type thing, school or something.
Wow. I won't mind studying here.
Looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world in the 7 seas. Everybody's looking for something.
So down the road there is actually a place called Docky Woods, which is normally open to the public. They take a donation for, I think it's National Trust.
Yes.
And they create paths, and then you're not allowed to walk off the paths. So in between the paths it flourishes with bluebells because no one's walking on it or anything like that. But unfortunately it's closed because of the whole situation.
But we still got a portion of it.
Yeah.
They're just coming out. So I think next week there will be even more. So we can do another ride next week. Or I can do another ride.
But yeah, you can still find patches of them like this.
Yeah, show you. And they're called bluebells because they look just like little bells. And I'm happy again. Woohoo!